You think Sheets can scale? Think again. We're talking advanced data structures and massive data sets all within Google Sheets.
Everyone said Google Sheet isn't a database, so I forced it to become one for free. First, I hacked the schema. Normal sheets are messy. I wrote a script to enforce strict relational tables automatically. But Sheets is slow, right? Scanning 50,000 rows takes seconds. So I reverse range pagination. I calculate the exact physical row coordinates before fetching. Zero scanning, instant load. Search was the biggest hurdle. Instead of hammering the sheet, I built a lightweight JSON index in the backend RAM and ship it to the browser. So the result, we hit 0 millisecond search latency using Fuse.js on the client side. The server does nothing, and you can search throughout the sheet, not just the top 20 loaded projects. So it will take same amount of time to load even if entries are 20 or 20,000. The algorithm for this trending project section was killing my database by crunching numbers of every page load. I fixed that by implementing gravity decay algorithm similar to what the Hacker News uses. That balances upvote against a time so old viral posts eventually drop off. But then the client cheat code does not run math every time. It uses a trigger by the Google App Script. It runs every 6 hours and updates the trending sheet here, and these projects are fetched from this sheet. We cut cost from $100 per month to literally zero. It scales to 5 lakh projects before Google even notices. It is a solid example of Google engineering, and it proves that constraint breeds creativity.